Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and change icons or app icons on iPhone. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So normally there are a couple of applications that do have app icons changing settings on their settings itself. However, a lot of apps don't have that. When you don't have that, you want to simply go ahead and hold your finger on the screen, and this is how it's going to react to it, and then tap on edit on the top left and click on customize. Once you've done that, you can choose a couple of, as you can see, colors that you can go ahead and put on your application, just like that, clear, tinted. And you can also go ahead and change the ways they look like, just like that, with their names or without their names. And you can also go ahead and play around with their colors if you want to, right over here. And it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like